Hey guys, Terrapup here, and we're doing a mailbag. I know that I said that the orange pies that I got and the X1 would have been the last boards for the years, but I actually got lucky and got some more boards coming in. This one I'm super excited about because this little box is here. Let's just open it up so you can see what I'm talking about. And I will do an assembly video for this, and then we'll get it up and running. So, poppy stuff. Really nice poppy stuff. So, put that to the side. Couldn't. There we go. As you can see, banana pie. I'm going to keep everything kind of hidden away for a second because I want to get everything out. But antennas or antennae. Antennas. I'm really psyched about that. A power supply. This is a 0.6 amps. Oh, 5 volts, 3 amps. Okay. So a standard like Pi power supply. Okay. USB-C to USB-C. Now, this is what I'm excited about. This is BPi-R3 Mini. You guys see my videos about the R3. It's a nice little board. This is half this. I mean, not really. This is 1/4 the size of the other one. So cool. And this should be the case. I wanted a green case, but they only had the gray. Oh, that's beautiful. Look at that. We got a little fan to keep it cool. So, yep, that's today's mailbag. We will be putting together this banana R3. And yeah, this is cool. I mean, I'm gonna do a side-by-side comparison of the full-size R3, but this mini, this is beautiful. Great job, Banana Pie. So until next time, this is Terrapup. Peace.